See beyond the horizon, explore the unknown on the large 6.52-inch water-drop screen. Every photo, every frame of videos, films and games that slowly swipes on the screen can offer you incredible visual immersion. High screen-to-body ratio gives you an incredible visual experience every time you unlock your phone. The huge 10,000 mAh battery inside absolutely can satisfy your demand for more power. You are able to rely on it to free yourself from countless charging and drive away your battery anxiety. Moreover, 18W wired fast charging and 15W wireless charging supported are ready to give the battery a boost. As a fashion pioneer, Power Armor 14 abandons the clumsy feeling of ordinary rugged phones. Black and gray color matching design, together with two partial highlight U-arcs, fulls of unique charm and levels up the hand grip feel. Soft TPU wrapping around the upper and lower corners plays a good role in drop resistance protection. The back cover and the screen are naturally connected by the peripheral hard plastic, which not only makes the phone look more beautiful, but also protects the phone screen to some extent. Incredibly tough Corning Gorilla Glass feels as good as it looks and flexes power on resisting drops and scratches, as well as the doodle of naughty kids or claws of your lovely pets, helping to enable more durability. Power Armor 14 is splash, water, and dust resistant and was tested under controlled laboratory conditions with a rating of IP68 under IX standard 60529, maximum depth of 1.5 meters up to 30 minutes. Charger and accessories are not water resistant. Splash, water and dust resistance are not permanent and might decrease as a result of normal wear. Do not attempt to charge a wet Power Armor 14. Liquid damage not covered under warranty. We have done many endeavors to ensure that the phone has excellent waterproofness. The charging port and the earphone jack are covered with waterproof stopper, while the speaker and the receiver are waterproof. Power Armor 14 can speak loud that not even a single drop of water, a grain of sand and a speck of dust can get into the phone, no drops, and shocks can cause damage to it. Designed with a custom key that can be programmed to 6 different function shortcuts or quickly start any other app you preset. It is configured to activate the push-to-talk app, Zello, by default with a long press. You can enjoy efficient and cost-effective communications without any problems in the help of this button. Inside the MediaTek Helio G35 is a fast octa-core ARM Cortex-A53 CPU with peak speeds of 2.3 GHz. Coupled with 4GB RAM, which allows you to perform multitask smoothly and fluently without impediment, while the 64GB internal storage makes all your memorable photos and videos saved forever. You also can bump extra memory with a 1TB TF card.